Okay, to do this, we're gonna need some scallions. I got a little bit of growing here right now, so let's clip off a few. Alright, so we're just kind of gonna turn these on a little bias there, and we're gonna slice like that. Alright, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna get these into some cold water. Let's throw one of these in. We don't want the seeds, but we will take the membrane. Alright, next up, one of these. Some distilled white vinegar. A little bit of my all-purpose jerk seasoning. A little bit of my herb salt. A little sugar. Get these babies in. Water. Next up, some sauce. I am making this up as I go, so mayo. Now I hate mayonnaise, so you know I'm doing this for y'all. Next up, spicy brown mustard. A little fish sauce. Some hoisin. A little, believe it or not, hummus. Homemade hot sauce. A little more of that herb salt. And a little of the jerk seasoning. Let's get in here. More stirs. Smells great. We let that marry in the refrigerator. Am I gonna taste this? Absolutely not. I hate mayo. You guys can do whatever you want. Alright, we got some washed and cleaned. Well, not cleaned yet. I'm about to clean them. Chicken thighs, boneless, skinless. Gonna give them a quick dry here. Okay, and then we're gonna pick whichever ones would make the best fillets, right? These don't look that great, to be honest with you, so we'll just do what we can. We'll use this one, trim this off a little bit here, this excess. Alright, trim this piece off and just use this. Clear off some of the fat. Good to go. Alright, this is what we're left with. Like I said, not the best, but we'll make two. I'll use these two because they're, of the back, they were the best looking as far as shape and size. So we're going to go for a little dry brine. It's not necessary, but it's just something I do. I'll leave it like that, and then we'll do the next step. Okay, this is some marinade for some curry chicken that I made yesterday. I put it in the fridge because I knew I was going to use it for the chicken thighs today. I'm going to add a little pickled juice. And then a little water. Now in this marinade, obviously it's curry, there's some coconut milk, some of my jerk seasoning, there's Scotch bonnet pepper, You can use habanero. A little soy sauce, and that is about it. And of course, we've got their chicken thighs. And here, give them a good coating. We're gonna let this sit for a couple hours in the fridge. You can leave it overnight if you want. That's better in my opinion. See you later. Let's get the flour. AP, cornstarch,
Let me talk my shit real quick.
and some potato starch, a little baking powder, a little of my jerk seasoning, a little black pepper, 1 packet regular sazon, 2 packets no salt. Whisk her up. Alright, now let's get it marinated a little bit into the flour. Let's get a piece in. Dropping this at about 310, 315 for the first fry. This is after about 5 minutes. So I'm just gonna flip these. I'm gonna drop them for 3 minutes. See you soon. Here we go. Look at those beauties. All right, so what we're gonna do here is we're going to let this rest, maybe 10 minutes, and then hit it with some 350-degree oil, just to get that extra crisp. All right, we're gonna drop this into 350-degree oil just until it crisps up. See ya. Let's get some toasted bread. Let's see what we're looking like. Ooh, baby. Okay, first some of that Hoisin Mayo that we made for you guys.
Let me talk my shit real quick.
And some of that pickled stuff that we made. Last but not least,